Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a Klaviyo account easily in this tutorial. First things first, go to klaviyo.com and you will get to this page. And as you may know guys, Klaviyo is a tool or a website that helps you with email marketing, SMS marketing, and you can also use it with your Shopify or WooCommerce stores and many more features and tools. So to sign up to Klaviyo, make sure to click on sign up from over here. And now as you can see, you have to enter your email address and your password. Also enter your company name and company website. Also it can be any domain guys. Then make sure to enter your phone number. After that you need to check all of these three options below and then click on create account. So it will just take a second to create your account. And then lastly select number of contacts that you will be working with. It depends on you. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go with from 3K to 25K. So after you sign up, you will get to a dashboard like this. And now you can start creating your SMS and email marketing campaign with Klaviyo. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can make a Klaviyo account. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care until next time.